Aloha everybody, we're coming to you from Maui.
We're in Hanaka'o'o Beach, also known as Canoe Beach, and I don't think the video can do this justice, but this is gorgeous. There's turquoise water behind us.
I'm gonna pop the drone up in the air so you guys can see exactly what we're looking at, but it is breathtaking.
The reason we're making this video though, we thought it was important. We actually weren't gonna do this video, but there's been a major announcement here in Hawaii in the last 24 hours having to do with COVID-related travel restrictions.
So here's the thing, if you're gonna be visiting Hawaii, you have to make sure to go on travel.hawaii.gov, create an account, make sure you take a specified COVID exam listed on their website from one of their approved testing partners, no more than 72 hours before arrival.
So here's the new thing. Yesterday, June 4th, the governor of Hawaii announced that starting June 15th, they're gonna be easing up on travel restrictions. Specifically, you don't need to have a COVID test if you're gonna be island hopping once you get here to the state of Hawaii.
Right, and island hopping is a very important thing to plan ahead. All right, so here's the thing. When we came to Hawaii, we landed on Big Island and then we went to Kauai. In order to go to Kauai, we had to take a COVID exam yet again, 72 hours prior to going to Kauai, meaning we had to take one in Florida, getting to Big Island, we had to take another one on Big Island going to Kauai, and yet again another one from Kauai going to Maui. Here's the thing, these COVID exams are not all free. We ended up paying $75 per person on Big Island. Kauai, we got it for free, so definitely plan ahead on your budget for this part.
And that's despite being vaccinated, because both of us are vaccinated. We have our CDC cards, but the rule here in Hawaii is like you have to have a negative COVID test coming into the state, and also if you're gonna be going to different islands as well.
Island hopping.
Exactly.
Pretty much.
So we were able to get a free exam in Kauai because CVS had appointments available, and you are able to get a free exam through CVS and Walgreens. But when we got to Maui, there were no appointments available for CVS or Walgreens.
So what do you recommend to people then?
So here's pro tip, right?
All right.
Bring your insurance card. If you have insurance, bring your insurance card.
The reason why travel restrictions are easing up is because Hawaii is actually doing pretty decent on vaccination rates.
Right, they're anticipating that they're gonna reach 55% of vaccination rates here in the state of Hawaii by June 15th, which is when you're seeing that first new rule where you don't need the COVID test to go to a neighboring island. Then once they reach 60%, you can, if you're vaccinated anywhere in the US, doesn't matter where, you can enter the state of Hawaii by proving that you got vaccinated. Just bring your CDC card.
Then we have the 70% threshold. Once Hawaii reaches 70%, that pretty much means all travel restrictions will be lifted, mask mandates will be lifted, and
yeah, things will pretty much get back to normal. 70% is that magic number that they're hoping that they'll reach soon. And that's a big deal for Hawaii. A lot of people are looking forward to that, businesses especially, because Hawaii's economy depends so much on tourism. Just a quick recap, June 15th is the date to keep in mind. If you are coming to Hawaii and you know you're gonna be island hopping, as of that date, you no longer need to provide a negative COVID test result before going to that other island.
Here's another little travel tip. If your dates are flexible, definitely come after June 15th to make your life a lot easier so you can enjoy your vacation. Thanks guys for watching. Do me a favor, hit subscribe, hit like, and ring that bell to stay up to date with all our videos, and see you guys on the next one. Aloha! Decent on